You can easily get paid by playing games with these free sources that I'll share with you today. They work for absolutely free and you can join from anywhere in the world. In order to set them up properly, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. With that said, let's now start with today's video so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to the first source for today, which is called Win Our Games, and this is over at winourgames.com. So as you can see, you can win cash by playing free games. They share back their revenue. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you some sources that pay you by just playing games. So they also offer an app over at App Store and Google Play Store, and we are going to check them out in a minute. You're going to see first of all that you can choose one of the many different games in big time, and you're going to collect some tickets. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes is. And when the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is going to be picked. You're going to see down here the games that are available, the games that you're going to play, and also there are some testimonials. You're going to notice people from all around the world getting paid with this platform. They're making a lot of money actually. For example, this person from Brazil had made more than $4,000. This person here has made more than $4,000 as well. You have people from Italy, Philippines, and so on. So if you scroll down, you're also going to notice that there is no limit to how much money you can earn for playing these video games here. You can play every day for your chance to make money. Let's check out the reviews over at App Store and Google Play Store. Here on App Store they got like almost 6,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars, and also over at Google Play Store, which is called Big Time Cash Make Money, you're going to notice that they got more than 400,000 of ratings, so there is a lot more, and also 4.4 stars, which is also pretty good. So this was the first app that I wanted to share with you. Right now I'm going to proceed with a website which is called Get Paid To, and it's over at getpaid2.com. You're going to earn money every time you go online. You can complete some simple tasks like completing surveys, playing games. You have some quick tasks for getting some easy points that you can of course redeem for money, and also you can complete some online offers. So even this platform pays you by playing games, but they do offer some other tasks as well, so you can maximize your results and make even more money, and we're going to check them out in a second. You're going to see that once you do those tasks, you're going to earn some points, and you're going to redeem those points for cash, cryptocurrency, and even gift cards. 5,000 of points equal $1. Down here we're going to see that they offer some fun online games, and you can choose from a wide selection of games including Sudoku, crossword, word search, and so on, and you're going to watch your earnings grow, and you can cash out and exchange them for gift cards, and also you can see that pay you in cash. They offer the high paying surveys. You can get paid by giving your opinion on some brands, research panels, and so on. Also, they offer you offer walls, so you can complete online tasks and get paid. You can try as many different types of offers as you can in order to see what you can achieve in a day. You have some quick points that you can get from watching music videos, trailers, ads. You can fill in captchas. So there are a lot of ways and opportunities to get paid with this platform. And you don't have to invest too much of your time, as you can see, in order to get paid over here. They offer a lot of payment methods, as you can notice, which is pretty awesome. You have bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, you have gift cards from Amazon, PayPal, and also Vodafone Cash. So you can choose between all of these payment methods. In order to get started, you're going to click on Join Free Now button that you can even find at the beginning of the page. You're going to see that you can put a username to get started, a password, confirm the password, put an email address, confirm the email address. You need to put your first name, last name, date of birth, your country, and here you're going to notice that this is available all around the world, so anyone can join, which is pretty awesome. And then you need to put your city, your zip code, then just agree to the terms of conditions and privacy policy by ticking this box. Then complete this captcha and click on complete registration, and then you're ready to start. You can play games, which was our main focus today, or you can even just complete those other tasks in order to make even more money. So it depends a little on you and how much time and effort you want to put on this in order to get the desired results. I'm going to proceed to the third app for today, which you can also download on your iOS or Android device. You can see that it's called Feature Points, and it's over at featurepoints.com. You can even get paid here on their website by clicking on sign up here, or you can download the app as I said before from App Store or Google Play Store, and we're going to check the app in a minute. You can earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and even more tasks. They have paid out more than $5 million since 2012, so they have been around for quite some time now, and it shows that this is a legit platform because it has been around for like 10 years. You're going to see that you can win instant contents. They give you like 50,000 of points instantly that you can redeem for money, of course. You can complete some surveys. You can share your opinion on different questions like, do you own a dog? What car do you drive? So there are some easy questions that you can answer in order to get paid. Also, they pay you by just shopping at your favorite stores, and you're going to earn hundreds of dollars in cash back. So you're going to see a lot of stores over here. You can download apps, so you can try free games and apps to earn points. So either this platform pays you by just playing games, and then you can even try the apps for a few minutes and you're still going to be credited. They do offer a referral program, so you can refer your friends over here and you're going to get paid 50% every time your friends earn points for live, which is a good way to earn some extra income and also in passive income. And you're going to see here all of the payment methods. You can just redeem your points on a huge selection of gift cards. They do offer PayPal as well, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, Bitcoin, as you can see, PlayStation, and so on, which is pretty awesome. They have the reviews here, 4 stars out of 5 based on more or almost 2,000 of ratings. And also you can check out the apps on App Store and Google Play Store. Here on Google Play Store they got more than 120,000 of ratings with 3.8 stars, and here on App Store they got 2.6 thousands of ratings with 4.3 stars. So this was the last app that I wanted to give you today. All of this platform pays you to just play games, so you can focus on this task, or you can even do the other task as well that some of them give you. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, you can give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.